Are you tired of hitting the gym tirelessly, only to find that the scale won't budge? The frustration can be overwhelming, especially when you're skipping meals and sipping on green juices in hopes of shedding the pounds. What if I told you that every effort you've been making might actually be slowing you down? It's time to shift your focus. The truth is that the fastest way to lose weight isn't a punishing cycle of starvation and grueling workouts. Rather, it's about working smarter, not harder. To begin, concentrate on revving up your metabolism in the morning. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast. Think scrambled eggs mixed with vegetables or a smoothie packed with protein powder. This meal sets the tone for the day, triggering fat burning and ensuring you stay full longer, helping you resist unnecessary snacking later on. Incorporating Zone 2 cardio can change the weight loss game for you. Light activities like brisk walking or leisurely cycling maximize fat burn without pushing your body to exhaustion. Pair this with high-intensity interval training, HIIT sessions twice a week. Just a short burst of high-intensity exercise can ignite calorie burning far beyond what you achieve during steady-state workouts. It's quick, effective, and energizing. However, the most critical piece of this weight loss puzzle often goes unnoticed: the importance of good sleep and managing stress levels. Chronic stress and poor sleep elevate cortisol levels in the body, a hormone that triggers fat storage and inhibits weight loss. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and incorporate relaxing activities into your day to combat stress. It's essential to abandon the notion of crash diets and grueling multi-hour workout routines. Instead, embrace a strategic blend of intelligent eating, purposeful movement, and habits that promote hormonal balance. When you align your lifestyle choices with your weight loss goals, you'll begin to see the transformations unfold. Are you ready to embrace this newfound knowledge and power through your journey toward healthy, sustainable weight loss?
Stay fit. Stay strong. See you in the next video.